Hi, welcome to Art Draw. You're going to need a piece of paper and some pens. Today we're going to draw Kymera from Fortnite Season 7. Let's go straight in, right up to the top. I'm going to draw a nose. Okay, a little line down curve. Okay, there's the start of the nose. Move up to the bridge of the nose. Then a couple of angles for eyebrows. 1, 2. Put some eyes underneath there. So a couple of lines. Quite a serious looking character. A little bit of black just for the inner part of the eye. Right, let's draw a mouth. It's quite stern, so a line across and down. A little bit of a lip, make him look a little bit unhappy. Cheekbones quite pronounced, so move out and in. I'm going to move down, give him a bit of a chin. Follow that back up and quite angular. There's the rest of his cheek. Then we're going to do curve, just a little bit of a point, top of his head. Across, a bit of a point and down. Now he's got a bit of a pointy ear. So just up there, we're going to go up, around, down. Just a little bit of detail in there. Make him look a little bit sterner. Yeah, that's looking good. And move a line down, and another line down here for his neck. Okay, let's move on to his spacesuit. So he's got a bit that comes out of his spacesuit just below the chin. So we're going to curve up, a straight line down, another curve underneath, and a straight line up. Then we're going to have the outer edge of his spacesuit that his head comes out of. So banded lines around here and on the other side as well. There we are, there's a bit of piping around there. Okay, a little bit of detail in here. Okay, so I think it's this chest muscle part of his outer spacesuit there, and we'll do the same on the other side there. Just join that up. And we'll join that up around there to leave a bit of a curve for his shoulder armour. Okay, now he's got a bit of a funny V, upper V sort of shape that moves down here, and he shows off his abs down here, a little bit like a shield. Then I'm just going to draw the abs in, 3 lots of curves and then a few lines in the middle. Then just continue the spacesuit up and on the other side as well. Okay, get his torso done. Then he's got a few little areas where we're just going to put the detail in here, a couple of curves. Let's look at further detail, so it's got a kind of diamond shape here, same on the other side, and then straight line here and up, and a straight line just on the chest and up here. Okay, that's the main body part done. A couple of lines in there. Right, shoulder pad, curve round, down, and we'll just move this up. It's got a few little pink elements in the shoulders, so I'm going to do the same on the other side here. Curve around here, join it up, and then just move down here, create a little area where the light's going to shine through. That's the shoulders done. Just join that up. Okay, arms, let's have a think. Move down here, top part of his arms, and we'll do the same here. In the lower part, he's got armour, sort of moves around his arm area, so we'll just put that in here. Part of the spacesuit, curve here and curve there. And hands, so we'll have some clenched fists here. Move around, there we are. Arms done. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit of detail here. Just a couple of lines in to show his spacesuit armour off. Okay, let's join this torso up. Let's have a think about the legs. So there's a bit of a belt. Turn around here. Join this part. And here. Sort of like pockets on the side of his legs. Just going to join those up. Bit of detail around the belt. Okay, armoured legs, let's have a think. Middle part here, then we're going to move down, top part of his leg and up, and then down and up. That's the top part of his armour. His little spindly legs in between there, 2 lines either side. And then he's got lower armour, so same sort of thing again, curve around and down. And then he's got bare feet or clawed feet, so 2 claws, so 1, there's 2, and we'll just colour black nails in there. Okay, same on the other side, curve it around, 1, 2, black nail, now let's have him standing on some sort of curved UFO kind of surface. Okay. Just a little bit of detail here. All these little intricate little parts to a spacesuit. Drawing up his spacesuit area there. Alright. Just a little cut into the ab area here. That's the line area done. So next up we need to do some colours. Let's go and get a purple pen to do his face. So I'm going to just colour the neck area and head in purple. Colour that in. I'm just going to leave a little area on the left hand side so where the light's bouncing off, let it pop. Colour that ear in, and then we'll just move around his head so let the light bounce off the top of his bald head there. Colour that in. Just leave a little area for the cheek, a little area on the lip. Right, other areas we can colour in now, the gaps in his space armour, where it shows his skin. So we've got here, and 2 little gaps here. Yeah, the hand areas. Middle of his legs. And then just do these feet. Okay, so next up, let's have a look. What should we do? Let's do a bit of grey. It's got a white suit. Let's use a bit of grey to give a bit of detail and shading. So I'm just going to use a bit of a grey colour. Just move on to the right hand edge of the spacesuit. Fill it in a bit here. Just on the edge here. Fill in this middle bit here. Continue the main chest part of his suit. Just putting in little pops the white areas and makes it just look a little bit more kind of 3D, I suppose. Okay, let's add a bit of colour to pop it now. So I've got this yellowy colour here. So he's got this area on his spacesuit where the helmet should go, I think. So this now, I think, brings it to life. So it's got a few areas. You can just make this pop a bit here. Yeah, like a couple of lights on the suit. Bring that to life. Just along here, let's got the detail on the belt, and we'll just put it down here as well. Yeah, that's making it pop. Let's look at the pink light that emanates from the spacesuit. So it's got a pink bit of light that comes out from the middle of his suit here. Then these little areas we've worked in earlier. Let's fill those. Here and here, the diamond areas we did, those can be pink. Put a little bit down here as well, makes it a bit more interesting. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's just colour in that torso area. So I'm just going to curve the pen around the abs, fill that in. And then we're just going to add the further now we're going to add in the further black detail of his belt. So fill this area in here, and I think there's just some bits by the spacesuit. Just make these a bit more black, darken them up a bit around his wrist area. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, and that is Kymera on ArtDraw. Thanks for watching, guys.